Welcome to Product Insider, I'm Dennis. Today I'm going to show you how modular design can be leveraged in industrial use cases. Check out the IPC920. For the IPC920, we streamlined the chassis to make it smaller. The modular design allows users to swap different I/O modules and add-on cards for various applications. Users can expand their available I/O ports by utilizing the flexible I/O window by installing an expansion card into either the PCIe Mini Card slot or the M.2 Key E slot. Additionally, if users need AI computing power, the PCIe Mini Card slot or the M.2 Key E slot can also accommodate an AI accelerator. And we can leave the PCI Express by 16 slot for integrating diverse add-on cards such as I/O cards and motion cards. With a communication card, the system can work for motion control of robots to accomplish automation solutions. When I have 10 GigaLink ports, it can be deployed in a data center, integrated with meters and servers to manage the power loading to achieve balancing. As I gain 8 more USB ports, we can accomplish machine vision applications. So what's the value of modular design? We can use the same system but swap for different AI modules and PCIe cards for various functions and applications. By doing so, users don't need to customize for different systems. It speeds up the deployment and time to market. If you want to know more about our products and their capability, please contact us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.